first starting of our adventure is I wanted to try something, manzanita, so apple sun. And then of course before the cenote we had to get some beers. I'm gonna show you guys our room, or hotel room, I don't know what you'd call this. But we have a private pool here. Look how nice, it's like lukewarm. That's not even the best part yet. Oh, we also have this thing here for if you want room service.
Oh my God!
Oh yeah, these things are the keys. Is so cute. But look at this. There's a little mini bar over here. And then look, there's even like a little private hammock and everything over here. So cute. That's the closet. And look, this mirror is so sick. Like how cool this is. Like pose. Pose. Look at the shower, it's beautiful. It's so cool how nature it is in the sink. And then they also give you water every day that comes with it. Oh, I can't wait to put those candles on, it's gonna look so nice. And then the bathroom. It's awesome, right? But anyway, we're gonna go to the beach now. We have some visitors. Wow, they even have a smoothie place. Cloves. Tree of gratitude, I'm pretty sure. So that's what I saw. So it turns out there was more to this place that I didn't know about. So these stairs. Like, look how cute. So we decided to stop by and get a drink at a local place, and then we're going to 𝖃𝚘𝚔 restaurant that's like in the sky. So let's see how that is.
Where are you guys?
This is cute. Crap. So today was just incredible. The vibes here are crazy. I have not felt this relaxed and this good off of 3 hours of sleep since I was like 18 or younger or something. Yes, that is my bathing suit hanging drying outside. We did 50 million things today in such a short span of time. An artistic museum, restaurant, skull place, which you all saw in this video. You see?
You stupid.
I can't name it. I'll put it here. Yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna see Mayan ruins, vibe, go to Machimama, and just see what happens. I bought a really beautiful skirt. It was kind of pricey, to be honest, but I thought it was worth it because it's handmade. Maybe an impulse purchase, not sure, hopefully not. Anyway, we're just gonna watch Shogun and vibe and have some Modelos and then go to sleep. So see you guys in day 2.
Cool.
Hey!
But each has a different
No. We have to be careful. Wait, no, we don't want it to attack us because of rabies. Oh, what the fuck? Open. Oh, shit. Oh my god, I'm scared. Wait, babe. We don't want it to attack us. We have to.
Can you call the hotel?
Try to get him outside first.
Oh, he's outside.
Okay, he's gone. He opened the door. He opened the. Babe, oh my god, I almost shit myself.
Yo.
How do we lock this thing?